Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and delete databases in mySQL. So here we are going to be using the command line for this, and in order to start running the shell, we have to use the command mysql -u, which stands for user, and in this case I'm the root user. Okay, so enter, and I'll put in my password, and that is it. The shell has started. So here I can now check the databases I have. In this case, I'm going to use the command show databases, and that is it. So the show databases command is going to show me the available databases I have now. So here I have a couple of databases, but I'm going to create one right now. So to create a database, we use the command create database, and we give the database name. In this case, we want to create a students database. So the database name will be students database. So students DB. Okay, and I'll press enter. Okay, I forgot the semicolon. Press enter. So to create a database, you have to write create database, then you give the name of your database, and don't forget the semicolon at the end. So once you click on enter, you will see this query OK, one row affected. So it means the database has been created. Okay, so now to check if the database has been created, we now have to do our show database command again. So in this case, it says show databases, and here we'll see we have animal DB, company, and other databases, and here you will see the student DB. So our student database has been created. Okay, so now we have our student database created. So let's go ahead and create another database, and in this time I want to create a workers database. So let's say create database, workers DB, and the semicolon. Enter, and you see query OK, one row affected. So to check that, we'll use the command show databases, and if you see here, you will see we have our workers database and our students database. So these are the two databases we just created, student database and workers database. So now it's time to delete the databases. So to delete a database, you use the command drop database, drop and the name of the database. So in this case, to delete the database, I'm going to say drop database and the name of the database. In this case, I want to delete workers DB. So worker DB with the semicolon, and press enter. You see query OK, 0 rows affected. So if I now check, like here you see the workers DB was present. So if I now check to see the database, so show databases, you now see that here we had the workers database, but after dropping the database, we now see that it is gone. So here we just have the students database and the other databases, but we don't have the workers database. So the workers database has been deleted from our collection of databases. So let's go ahead and delete the students database. So to delete it, we use the command drop database and the name of the database, which in this case is students DB, with the semicolon at the end. It says query, okay, 0 rows affected. So let's go ahead to see the databases. So show databases, and here you will see we have AnimaDB company and there are others, but we don't have StudentsDB. But here we have StudentsDB, but now we have deleted it, and so we don't have StudentsDB anymore among our list of databases. So that is it, guys. That is how you can create and delete a database in SQL. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to create and delete tables in SQL. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.